Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. This is our second video review of the unboxing of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more, especially on the functionality of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch, the different functions, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's proceed and check out the details about the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch, a Series 10 smartwatch, Apple Watch clone smartwatch. Okay. And for the UI, before we proceed on the menus, so we have the notifications. On the bottom, we have the settings and other options for the smartwatch. Here, we do have a dashboard for the common applications, and we have the widgets here. To access the main menu, just press the crown button. You can also use the crown button here to change the watch face, to zoom in on the bubble type menu, as you can see here. Okay, so let's check out the different features here available on the ZT10 or ZT Pro 10 smartwatch or the Pro 10 smartwatch. So let's change the menus here. So we have a dialer. So we have a phone book, meaning we do have a Bluetooth call support. We have the heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. Somewhat the UI here is similar to our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. We have a Facebook, SOS, health recycling. This is the automatic activity tracking. We have an ECG. We have sports functions. We only have at least 9 sports here, very limited. We have a WhatsApp support. This is notifications only. We have a Bluetooth camera control, blood pressure monitoring. We have Bluetooth music control, X or Twitter support, reset, weather report, anti-lost. We have sleep monitoring. We also have here a calculator. We have a calendar. Menu style. How many style do we have? We have at least 6 style here. As you can see, we do have a preview of what will be the style of the menus. Again, here are the different features or functions available in the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So we have a social app support. We have an ECG here. For the sports, you only have 9. WhatsApp support, Bluetooth camera. What else do we have? Anti-lost, calculator and calendar. We also have a QR code here for the support app and a game. Okay, only one game. Settings. Okay, so that's it for the review of the menus and features of our ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So if you are planning to get this one, what do you think of this smartwatch? Is it worth it for the price? Drop a comment below. And if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, also drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.